6 orders in queue, 3 orders in queue, 28 orders in queue. 28. Wow, this is amazing. Hi guys, this is Asif from Lectures Club, and today I'm gonna show you 5 Fiverr jobs that can pay you long time even if you start in 2020. Some categories are new and some categories are old, but still they are paying very heavy amount to the people. For some jobs you need a little bit skill to start the job, but for some categories you already know how to do it. So without wasting your time, let's go to the computer screen. Now we have arrived on the computer screen, and I will show you in real time the 5 jobs that are really working on Fiverr. So today is 3/12/2020, you can see here. Now the first category is video editing. We go into video editing and we click on random sellers. This guy has done 32 jobs. Just let's click on it. This guy has done 143 jobs. Let's click on it. And this guy has done 1000 plus jobs. Let's click on it. You can see here this guy has 3 orders in queue and already completed 32 orders. And we see when he joined Fiverr. He joined Fiverr in May 2019 and still he is working. Video editing still paying him on Fiverr. Now we see this guy. This guy is also providing video editing services. He has 6 orders in queue and already done 143 orders. Now we see when he joined Fiverr. He joined Fiverr in May 2019 and still video editing is paying to this seller. Now we see this seller. This seller has done 1304 jobs and 17 orders in queue. This is amazing good. Now we see, now he joined October 2015. Guys, this is almost 5 plus years, or almost 5 years, sorry, this is almost 5 years, and still this guy is getting money from Fiverr. So if you know a little bit idea about video editing or different tools which are used in video editing, you should make a gig on Fiverr. Now the second category is articles and blog posts. We click on this category and then we randomly click on different sellers. This seller has completed 391 jobs. Let's click on it. This seller has done 1000 plus jobs. Let's click on it. Similarly, this seller has completed 254 jobs. Let's click on it. Okay, now you can see here this seller still has 3 orders in queue, and let's see when this seller joined the Fiverr. From November 2014, since almost 6 years, and still the seller is working and getting money from Fiverr. Now this seller has 22 orders in queue and already completed 5694. This is good. And let's say Fiverr is not showing when this seller joined, but I think this seller is also working from almost 3 to 4 or 5 years. This seller has 28 orders in queue and 254 jobs. This is good. And she joined since September 2015. Now guys, you can see that how these categories are really paying. Now we randomly click on any other category. This guy has done 881 jobs. Let's click on it. I'm all showing you in real time. You can also go to the Fiverr, make an account and see how people are really earning from Fiverr. This guy has 7 orders in queue and already done 881 jobs. And we see when he joined Fiverr on April 2012. Oh wow, 8 years. Now the third job is the subcategory of digital marketing. We click on digital marketing and then we go on social media advertising. This is new on Fiverr. We click on this. Now we click on the impressions of random sellers. Let's say we click on this guy. He has completed 95 jobs. We click on it, and this guy has completed 1000 plus orders. We click on it. Similarly, this guy has completed 595 jobs. We click on it. Social media advertisement is not a big deal. There are so many tutorials available online. You can go on YouTube and watch how you create a Facebook page, or how you can run an ad campaign on Instagram and Snapchat, Twitter, as well as on Facebook. So just need a little bit knowledge of it, and then you can earn on Fiverr. Now see, this guy has 6 orders in queue and 95 orders already done, and he is the member of Fiverr since October 2018. You people can also look at the packages. Premium package, this guy is offering premium package for $120, and he will set up 3 campaigns plus audience research and optimization plus 4 ad banners plus 7 days ad management at 3 days delivery. If he get orders 5 to 10 orders, let's say he gets 10 orders in a month, then definitely he is going to earn more than $1000, and after paying 20% to Fiverr, still he is getting $1000 in a month. So this is huge amount, especially when you are doing a part-time job. Now look at this seller. He has completed 1036 jobs and 5 orders in queue, and he is the member of Fiverr since 2014. Look at the premium package for $165, 3 days delivery. This seller has completed 595 jobs and 3 orders already in queue. It's mean the seller is busy and doing some work, and member since 2018. So you people can observe, you people can see that how these people are earning from Fiverr since months and since years. So you should also come on Fiverr if you are really struggling to find a good job or want to increase your income. And now the fourth category is also new on Fiverr, and the category is podcast editing. We click on it. The podcast editing is very similar to video editing. If you have skills and knowledge, and you know how to use different tools to edit a video, you can also use those tools to edit any podcast. In the video editing, you have to deal with video as well as the voice, but here you have to deal only with the voice. Now we randomly click on different sellers. This seller has completed 1000 plus jobs. We click on it. Similarly, this seller has completed 28 jobs. We click on it. And this seller has completed 810 jobs. We click on it. Now guys, you can observe this guy has already done 2862 jobs and 23 orders are still in queue. He is almost very near to 3000 jobs, and for $35 he is just editing 60 minutes voice. He is editing in just $35 and 2 days delivery. Now you can imagine how much he can earn in a month, and he is a member since April 2014, 6 years. Now this guy has 1 order in queue, 28 orders are done, and he is doing 60 minutes podcast and $120, and member since 2017. This guy already done 810 jobs but don't have any order in queue. Let we randomly select any other. This guy has 454 jobs. This guy has, you can see here, this guy has completed 454 jobs and 2 orders in queue, and he is doing multiple voice same track for $15, 1 day delivery. And the last but not the least is resume writing. Now this job doesn't need to have too much skills, but you need to know one thing: you need to have a little bit knowledge of MS Office and other office softwares, and a bundle of CV formats. Even with the moderate level of English you can do this. In article writing you need to have a very good English, especially if you are doing a creative writing, but here with some good vocabulary words and a little bit knowledge of editing and formatting the CVs, you can do these jobs. Now we randomly click on different sellers. This seller has completed 1000 plus jobs, we click on it. Similarly this seller has done 166 jobs, we click on it. And this seller has completed 304 jobs, we click on it. We click on this seller, and we randomly take another seller. This seller has completed 31 jobs, we click on it. Internet speed is gone slow. Now this seller has completed 1376 jobs, but not an order in queue, but the members since August 2016. Now this seller has 4 orders in queue and 166 orders have already done, and she is the member since April 2018, 1+ year. She is providing basic package for $25. She will just edit the resume to be professional and attention grabbing with ATS optimization, and for $80 she will also provide CV editing and 3 days delivery. Now this seller has completed 305 jobs and 9 orders in queue, and for premium package this seller is just providing resume, cover letter and LinkedIn account, 2 to 3 pages, and $75 the seller is charging. Member since 2016, and she has done 5000 plus jobs and 23 are still in queue, and she is providing resume plus cover letter plus LinkedIn for $140, and the member is since October 2013. Now guys, you have seen just 5 jobs. There are plenty of jobs and other opportunities available on Fiverr. I showed you just 5 and showed you how people are earning from these jobs by just sitting at home, and they are doing a part-time or a full-time job by staying at home. I really urge people, especially from the developing countries, because the job opportunities are really less and they find difficulty in getting a good job. I also urge the disabled persons who really find difficulty on riding bike or driving car and they are going to office daily. They should learn skill, and they should sit at home and they can earn pretty easily. Now I hope you like the video. Kindly subscribe my channel so I will upload more videos that how you can earn online very easily. Stay blessed. Bye bye.